Hi everyone, I'm Chi Zhang, Senior Product Manager of Tencent Real-Time Communication, also known as TRTC, from Tencent Cloud Media Services. It's a great honor to be here. Today we are introducing Tencent Cloud Media Services Developer Suite. Over the years, we have been making efforts to improve developers' experience to make sure integration threshold lower enough for everyone. Hence, you can either start from scratch, call simple APIs with our media services SDKs with various abilities, including audio and video call, live streaming, short video, media player, beautify effects. Or you can also start from our media services PaaS UI kits with scenario-specified user interface, for example, online meeting, interactive classroom, etc. They are all open source, pre-built, and runnable. Developers can use them as reference or start building applications on top of these UI kits. The last part I'm introducing here is Virtual World Developer Suite. We provide Avatar SDK, Virtual Space Demo, and 3D Design Tool. Let's get into more details. First, media services SDKs include live streaming, real-time communication, media playback, video creation, and video effect SDKs. With rich technology functions and the combination of these SDKs, our customers around the globe are building applications in social entertainment, online education, enterprise services, online video, telehealth, and creating many more scenarios as well. We aim to empower enterprises and developers with tools so handy that audio and video technology supports low latency real-time interaction and creates meaningful connections among users. Tencent Cloud Media Services dive deep into actual use cases in the market. The rich variety of scenario-specific features origin from both our continuous research of industries and customers' requirements as well. Backed by Tencent Media Lab, Tencent Media Services are improving as our customers grow. For example, short video scenario has gone viral nowadays. Tencent Media Services short video editing now supports video frame timeline, preview by frame, video speed adjustment, etc. On top of that, we offer more and more functions to creators or vloggers over time, such as camera filter, music mixing, pop-up subtitles, and many more. Another example I'd like to point out is TRTC. The dev team is optimizing every phase, such as processing, network, encode, decode, to keep an industry-leading average global end-to-end latency. State-of-the-art tech background, such as packet loss prevention, TRTC manages to conduct audio calls under an extreme packet loss rate of 80%. The second huge upgrade is PaaS UI kits. Like I mentioned earlier, we are researching entertainment, education, remote work, and many more industries with subtlety. By extracting the common logic and use cases, we build UI kits for various use cases. For example, for entertainment industry alone, we have interactive live streaming demo, audio video call, and online karaoke UI kit. To bring online singing user experience to another level, we've introduced online duet scenario, where users can join the same party room and sing the same song together. Besides comprehensive scenarios, the client and server source code is fully open. Plenty of scenario-specific features are also available, enabling you to launch new business simply by changing the UI. After pandemic breakout, PaaS UI kits have been upgrading while novel apps and use cases surge in the market. The last part of today's speech is Virtual World Developer Suite. During the pandemic, social distance turned face-to-face scenarios into online version, while the concept of metaverse swept the world at the same time. As a result, people are getting used to online meetings will start to creating virtual self and exploring in virtual world as well. Tencent Cloud Media Services now presents the virtual world solution. It's composed of several aspects, including digital assets, which is essential for applications to set the difference from others. With fancy virtual props, delicate virtual space, and avatar modification choices, maybe 10 eyebrows and 20 hairstyles, for example, users will gain extraordinary and personalized experience. Creation tools, we provide Avatar SDK. Developers can easily integrate the ability of avatar generation, modification, rendering, and AI expression recognition. Real-time engagement. Overall, the solution is supported by Tencent Cloud Media Services, TRTC, CSS, IM, live event broadcasting, cloud rendering, and media player. Here are some typical use cases as well. As we know, various industries are looking for a shift into online, interactive, immersive experience. Here's Avatar SDK. Users will be able to create their own virtual self in two ways. Either they build their own from scratch, or take a picture, auto-generate one, and then tweak from that avatar. Tencent Avatar SDK supports more than 8 areas along with 50 dimensions of facial adjustment. For example, eyebrows, eyelashes, nose, facial hair, etc. And their type, color, spacing, length, width, etc. Avatar SDK includes a lightweight rendering engine with outstanding performance and extremely small size. It also supports Unity engine so that you can integrate smoothly from avatar creation to a full-body avatar exploring in the virtual world. Avatar SDK is also AI-empowered. With facial expression, voice, and hand gesture recognition, the avatar created can move correspondingly and become vivid and lifelike. This is virtual world demo. With the combination of Tencent Cloud Media Services SDKs, users can personalize their avatars, modify facial details, changing outfits, and then start exploring in the virtual world. With spatial audio feature of TRTC, users can hear the sound of others coming from other users' directions in the virtual space. While the users sit at the table on the patio, they will join a private chat with others at the same table. This is a typical use case of voice chat in virtual space. Another hot use case is three-dimensional karaoke and nightclub, etc. Online event and press conference and more possible scenarios is on the way. If the application gets too big and consumes too much resource on device, with the power of cloud rendering from Tencent Cloud, performance pressure on mobile device could be relieved. Users will be able to join with one click and explore directly from the browser. Thank you for watching.